Hello, this is LA1 Boy here with a project that I got off of eBay. This is the Do-It-Yourself Electronics Kit, Tiny Surface Mount 555 Timer, and CD4017 LED Chaser. This kit was put together by Flyandance on eBay. I picked it up for $2.99. This is my first surface mount component kit that I've had success with. You can actually see my first attempt didn't go so well. I've dropped some components and had some other issues with it. But this time I think I got it all right. You can see that it's flashing back and forth. This is all kind of new to me. I've done a lot of soldering in the past, but I haven't used any surface mount components before. So I had, get my tweezers and all these other fun utensils that I'm not quite used to using yet, but I'm getting there. As you can see, this kit has a potentiometer on there, so you can turn the speed to your liking, fast or slow, or to the point where you can't really notice it. Yeah. One of the things I'll note on here that I didn't do well was if you'll notice that the 555 itself is not really centered on the board too well. Let's see if I can get that to focused. But after a little bit of diagnostic work, I finally got it to where everything mates up with the pads and actually works. Then on the back you can see the CD4017. And if you're not familiar with how this works, this is basically a 555 timer that is paired that provides pulse width modulation to the CD4017, which is a decade counter. The decade counter has 10 outputs, and when you pulse it, it will change those outputs. Each of those outputs are mated to one of these LEDs, and it just goes in sequence. And I think this is a great project for somebody that's like me, just kind of getting new to the surface mount stuff. Took me about an hour to put together. And I highly recommend it for anybody that is looking to work with smaller components. However, I do recommend, you source yourself some really nice tweezers, such as these ESD safe tweezers. I found these on eBay as well. And also important to note is no matter how good your eyesight is, it's also a good idea to get yourself a magnifying glass. I'm kind of young and don't want to admit that I need them, but it sure does make a difference. So, well, that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I can do some more reviews like this in the future. I'll put the description of where I found this kit down in the description below. Thank you.